It wasn't that long ago that recruiters and hiring managers and HR professionals would be scanning resumes for hard skills. That was what was most valuable for a lot of employers out there. But with the advent of AI over the last couple of years, and AI being able to do a lot of the technical jobs like the software programming, technical writing, it's the soft skills that are becoming a lot more valuable to employers. The World Economic Forum in 2023, they did a fascinating study. In fact, I have a link to it in the notes section below. But what they did was their research consisted of 803 companies. It was 11.3 million workers, 27 industries. This was worldwide. It wasn't, local. It was worldwide. And what they found was that the number one most sought after soft skill was analytical thinking. A close number two was creative thinking. It's like a sister of the soft skills out there. And then there was some self-efficacy skills like resiliency, flexibility, lifelong learning. But number one was the analytical thinking or strategic thinking. So if you're a professional in middle-aged career, how do you let the prospective employer know about your skills out there? I mean, a lot of people, they may put them on as bullet points: critical thinking, lifelong learner, flexibility. I advise not doing that. I still believe that your skills section should just be your hard skills, but your soft skills should be, what I would say, amplified in your accomplishment statements. And the best way to do this, there's a couple of words that can really highlight your critical thinking, your analytical thinking, strategic thinking, and that is these words like developed, initiated, orchestrated. If you think about this and you think about using those as the beginning of a sentence, you really are talking about your strategic thinking or your analytical thinking out there. So keep those three starter words in mind: develop, initiated, orchestrated. Now, what about if you just need to develop these skills? Because these are skills that are definitely ones that you can develop. It's not something that's innate in anybody. You can develop strategic thinking and analytical thinking. And there's a lot of ways to do that. I've talked about this before. LinkedIn Learning has, some good courses on analytical thinking or strategic thinking. So does Skillshare, so does Coursera out there. And also keep this in mind too: if lifelong learning is also a soft skill and you have been taking these courses and you list them on your resume under certifications, if you're going after a certification, that's all the more that it's showing the value to that prospective employer that you are, up to speed on this. I hope you found this video informative and useful, and if you haven't already done so, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell notification, as I do upload new career tips and strategies every Tuesday, and I'd hate for you to miss anything. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next week. Take care.